stratospheric technology is going to bring the capability of offering direct-to-device, 5G, low-latency services that will allow us to offer mobile connectivity for greenfield applications, for disaster management, coverage augmentation, and white spot reduction. And all of this will be done in a sustainable and emissionless way. With the ability to offer 5G services directly to an end-user device without having to go through a dish will allow us to connect with millions of sensors out there in areas that are not connected today or poorly connected, and aggregate traffic from those IoT devices in order to bring them into the network. The reason they are unique is because today's solutions are based on satellite, and satellite can give you either a persistence, so high revisit rates, or high resolution. Zephyr can give both, does not compromise between one and the other, because the aircraft can fly over a certain location, or it can track a certain asset on the ground while providing very high resolution and imaging with capabilities that are today military grade. The satellite D2D market will be very limited in its capabilities. Obviously, Zephyr is not satellite, it's HAPS. It's different, it's at a different orbit. We are a much lower orbit. Satellite is at a higher orbit. Because of that, satellite is limited in what it can offer in terms of capabilities. So from a technical point of view, satellite can offer emergency or SMS type services, very low kilobits per second, whereas HAPS can offer full 5G and very low latency services. The other element is that satellite is difficult to scale, because satellite works as a constellation. With a constellation, you have to have satellites everywhere, so the constellation is quite inefficient. And once you deploy it, if you want to add more capacity in a certain location, you just need to replenish the whole constellation, which is quite expensive and difficult to scale. Obviously, with satellite, the solution is a B2C solution. Our solution is very different. Our solution is one that makes the offering look exactly like a tower in the sky. So our offering is a B2B solution to the MNOs, who can blend those capabilities seamlessly into their network, and it's highly scalable. Where we need more capacity, we put more capacity.